Dear learner, now we learn about trimming option. Suppose we have connected some all here and we need to trim or we need to cut out some all, a specific all. So how we can do that? They have two options. So if you need to close, suppose that all and that all at a time, so we'll use that option. Okay, so they have option like trim or extend to corner. So if we need to trim or extend a corner, then we can go for that option. Suppose if I click here, if I click that option, then click that on and click that on. See, except that and that line, others corner are deleting. And if I go back again, suppose I need to delete that line and that line. So how I can do that? First of all, I'll select that one and then I'll select that one. See, or that corner have been deleted. Again, if I click here and if I click that all, it will extend with each other and another will be deleted. So I'll just go back again. Again, if I need to that line or if I need to that line, so how we can do that? I will click that one first and that one first. Okay, this one will not be deleted because they have another line. So I'll just click cancel. Okay, now if you need to delete some single line, how we can do that? We'll just go that option. Okay, trim or extend single line. So to do that, I'll click here. Then suppose I need to delete that one. What I'll do? I'll just click here and then click here. That one, that line and that line. Okay, actually they have some issue, like just click or click that line, then I'll click that line, and I'll just click here. See, or this line will be deleted. This is the way to do it. Okay, now if I click here and if I click here, our another line will be deleted, but they have some specific condition. When we have a single line, we will not be able to delete that. If I go again back, Ctrl Z. Okay, now if we need to delete that line or that line, so we can go for that. I'll just click here. Suppose first of all I'll click that one and I'll click that one. This line will be deleted. So first line will be our reference line and second line will be our that line which one we want to delete. Okay, again I'll just go Ctrl Z, and if we need to delete that one, so I'll take that one as a reference and I'll click here, or that line will be deleted. Otherwise, Ctrl Z, I'll take that line as a reference, and if I click here, our above one will be deleted. Just see. So this is the way to trim our any element. And again, if I just click here and if I click here and if I click here, see, a new line have been created. Again, if I click here and again if I click here, this one will be trimmed. Close. Again, actually when they have no option for trim, it will go for extension. If I click here and if I click here, so this one will be trimmed. But again, if I click here and or if I click here, sorry, I'll just go here. If I click here and if I click here, this one will be deleted. Again, if click here and if we go here and by clicking any of that point, now it will not work anymore. So this is the way to use our deleting option or extend option perfectly. So if you need to extend any line or anywhere, then we can go for that. So thank you very much.